So hello everyone, today's video is about how to copy a lot of items, means more than one item at a time. So do you know Excel can remember 24 copy items at the same time? If you're copying one by one, you're wasting time. So there is an option in which you can copy a lot of items at one go and you can paste them at your ease. So when you copy something in Excel, it doesn't just store one item. Excel has its own Office clipboard that can store up to 24 copied items from Excel, Word, PowerPoint, or even a website. So how to do this? So this is my data having some first name, last name and the departments. So I'm going to the Home tab and click the small arrow under the clipboard. So this is the small arrow which is shown over here and it is showing clipboard. See all the items you have copied to the clipboard, and there comes a clipboard. Let's copy first name and you see it is reflecting in the clipboard pane. Then copying last name, then copying department. Like this we can copy up to 24 items and like this. So I'm copying randomly. So in this way we can copy up to 24 items in this clipboard pane. What is the use now? Let's assume we want to copy this D'Souza in this cell. So we'll just come and paste it over here. Then if we want Mandakini, we can paste it over here. Then coming department, we'll paste it over here. So you can select among the copied cells that what you want to paste. Click paste all to paste all copied item in one go also. So copy from Word or browser, as I said earlier, also works. Let's check. So opening a Word document, let's say Excel is very useful. Now let's copy this and let's paste this. And we are having clipboard. And we are having an entry. Excel is very useful in the clipboard also. So like this you can copy anything and paste it in the clipboard over here. If you find this video helpful, do subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment if you have any queries. Thank you so much for watching this video.